Becoming a millionaire. It's something everyone dreams of, right? But let's be real. For most of us, it feels impossible. I'm here to show you that it's actually within reach if you follow 3 simple steps. You don't need to be lucky or have a perfect background. You just need the right approach. Step 1 is all about finding a high-income skill. This is your ticket to earning more than just a regular paycheck. Choose a skill that's in demand and pays well. Think coding, digital marketing, investing, or content creation. Master this skill because it's going to become your main income stream. High-income skills let you charge higher rates and add real value. Now that you're earning more, make that money grow. Aim to save around 20 to 30% of your earnings each month, and don't let it sit idle in a savings account. Invest. Put your money into stocks, index funds, or real estate, anything that appreciates over time. Here's a tip. Start small if you need to. With apps and robo-advisors, you don't need a ton of money to get into the stock market. And now for the exciting part, passive income. Imagine earning money while you sleep. That's passive income, and it's a key to millionaire status. Look into rental properties, dividend-paying stocks, or digital products like courses or ebooks. These streams add up, bringing you closer to financial freedom. Focus on one passive income source, then diversify. So, those are the 3 steps. Create a high-income invest, smart, and build passive income streams. Reaching millionaire status isn't just for the rich. It's for anyone willing to take a steady, smart approach. Start your journey to financial freedom today.